How to add DoorDash to Apple CarPlay. So first up, you'd want to connect your DoorDash driver app to your CarPlay via Bluetooth or USB, depending on what your car supports to get started. The Dasher app will automatically show up in the list of apps available on the CarPlay screen, and integrated parts of the Dasher app will display on the CarPlay screen accordingly, i.e., navigation like such. And if the Dasher app does not show up automatically on your CarPlay screen, navigate to the list of apps and select Dasher app to launch the experience manually. Remember to switch to in-app navigation from the account page as your mapping service in order to support the Dasher app CarPlay experience. Now, keep in mind that the integration will support turn-by-turn navigation, and your CarPlay screen will display key information in a more streamlined fashion to help you focus on what's important. Now, it is only available on the CarPlay app for iOS devices, and for Android, it is set to come at a later date. Also, be sure that your Dasher app is updated to at least this version or above so that you can connect it to CarPlay. And that is how you add DoorDash to your CarPlay.